Hello, now I will show you how to install new hood strut on your W210. Here is my old one. As you can see, removing of the strut is not difficult, but now I am testing it and show you that it does not work. Here you can see the hood goes down, not up, and the strut is worn out completely. Here is how it operates, and this is the second one. Now I open the hood on service position and show you how to remove the struts. Here is the clip, and you must simply unhook this metal clip and then push out the strut itself from its mounting places, and this is the way how you remove the struts from your hood. This is the old strut I have already removed. Here you can see it has the genuine Mercedes logo on it, but I want to say that the struts are identical, and this genuine Mercedes part is made by Stabilus Liftomat type of the strut, and I'm very happy that the strut I'm going to put on my car is identical to the genuine part. Here is the final result. I installed both struts on my car, so they are brand new now, and they hold the hood very good, as they should be. Now I will show you how the hood operates and make sure that the hood goes up and not down when you open it. This is securely mounted on its places and looks the way better than it was when they were used.